Ano?
Jump it ulit.
Sige, compress lang po tayo para hindi naman sumigaw yung referee.
Kuya, round 2 yan no? Round 2. Sila ba yung nakaraan? Zero. Ay, assist. Huwag natin pansin. Welcome.
Okay, let's go. First ball by Sac Basketball. Okay, De Leon. Pass to De Vera. De Vera taking 3 short. It's turnover. Sac Basketball. Almost steal. Talavera. Dribble the ball. Pass to Lomeda. Lomeda. Pass to Vergara. Perimeter shot. Wala. De Vera. De Vera. Pass to Omanja. Omanya? Omanya ba? Omanja? Omanya. Sorry. Sabido. Perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by De Guzman. Pass to Urdaliza. Urdaliza. Pass to Lumeda. Talavera. 15 seconds to shoot. De Guzman taking 3. Wala. Rebound by De Leon. Pass to De Vera. De Vera. De Leon. Ball fake. Pinasa sa ilalim. Sabido. 12 seconds to shoot. Steal by Talavera. Talavera. Pass to number 9. De Guzman. Lays up. Basket. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 13. De Vera. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot by De Guzman.
Kanina naglalaro ka. Ayaw mo takot yung tawag. Wala ka naman takot.
Cannot complete that third. De Vera. Pass to De Vera. Foul. Foul number 2. Lumeda. First personal foul. First team foul. Number 22, foul. Lumeda. Sorry. De Leon. Back to De Vera. Ball fake. De Vera. Pinasa kay Omanya. Perimeter shot. Malakas. Rebound by De Guzman. Urdaliza. Pass to Lumeda. Foul. Foul. Number 99, Sabido. First personal foul, second team fouls. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. Urdaliza, tingin 3. Malakas. Rebound by De Guzman. Vergara. Wala pa rin. 14 seconds to shoot. Vergara, binali. Wala pa rin. It's a turnover. Our score 2-0. 2-point lead by Zach. De Vera taking 3. De Vera, 3 points. Official score 3-2, 1 point lead by Fubu Ballers. 7 minutes to play, first quarter. Talavera. Lomeda. Perimeter shot, yes sir. Official score 4-3, 1 point lead by Sak. De Leon. Dribble the ball. Pass to De Vera, taking 3, De Vera, 3 points by De Vera. Official score 6-4, 2 point lead by Fubu Ballers. Urdaniza. Pass to Vergara, back to Urdaniza. 15 seconds to shoot, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by De Leon. Pass break by De Vera. Pass to Sevido. Sevido. Perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by Talavera. Pass to Vergara. Number 4 lays up. Foul. Foul number 14. Umanya. First personal foul. Third team fouls. 2 shot by Vergara. First throw. In and out. Second throw. Yes sir, 1 out of 2. Official score 6-5, 1 point lead by Fubu Ballers. De Leon, pinasa kay Vergara, pass to Vergara, pass to De Leon. Pinasa sa ilalim Umanya, 10 seconds to shoot. De Vera, taking 3, wala. Rebound by Lumeda. Pass to Urdaniza, Urdaniza. Inaharas sa dalawa. Ayun na, binibilangan na, pinasa kay Talavera. Talavera. Rebound the ball, kinaliwa, short. Rebound by De Leon. Pass to Sevido. Ayun na, 3-2 pass break. Oy, steal by Urdaniza. Urdaniza, dribble the ball. Oy, sobrang last touch by Fubu Ballers. It's Sak basketball. 18 seconds to shoot. 18 seconds. Kick ball. Warning number 14 Umanya for delaying the game. Urdaliza, pinasa sa ilalim, almost steal. Steal by De Leon. De Leon, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Sevido. Sevido, masyadong malakas. Turnover, Lumeda. Lumeda dribble the ball. Pass to De Guzman. Tumira, malakas. What a putback by number 22, Lumeda. 2 points. Official score 7-6. Change favor. 1 point lead by Sak. De Leon. Dribble the ball. Pass to Umanya. Ball fake. De Leon. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Official score 8-7. 1 point lead by Fubu Ballers. Talavera. Pass to Vergara. Thinking 3. Vergara. 3 points. Official score 10-8. 2 point lead by Sak. 4 minutes to play. First quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Umanya, perimeter shot is good. It's a deadlock, all 10. Urdaliza. Urdaliza. Sumalaksak. It's a traveling violation. Time out. Fubu Ballers. All right, let's go. Dueñas. Dueñas dribble the ball. Pass to Bucasas. Back to Dueñas. Sino yun? Fernandez. San Jose. Pass to De Vera. Short. Ayun na. Quezon. Di nakalista yan. Easy 2 by Quezon. Official score 12-10. 2 point lead by Sak. Dueñas. Pass to Bucasas. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. It's a deadlock. All 12. Quezon. Dribble the ball. Pass to De Guzman. Back to Quezon. Foul. Foul number 15. De Vera. First personal foul. Warning. 4 penalty. Ay, good evening, boss. May nag-i-scout, oh. Yari kayo. 2 minutes, 30 seconds, first quarter. Magaluna. Sinking through. Short. Kita-kita. Villar. Villar. Put back. Pass to Magaluna. PNR collection. Wala. Wala by Di Guzman. Ay, Di Guzman. Quezon. Villar. 8 seconds to shoot. Villar. 2 points by Villar. 2 minutes to play. First quarter. Official score 14-12. 2-point lead by Sac. De Vera. De Vera. Pass to Fernandez. Pass to Dueñas. Pass to San Jose. Long two. Wala. Last touch by Pubu Ballers. 1 minute 45 seconds. First quarter. Quezon. Dribble the ball. Quezon. Pass to Di Guzman. Sinking three. Di Guzman. Almost. Rebound by Dueñas. Dueñas. Dribble the ball. Dueñas all the way, binali, malakas, kitang-kita. Ayun na, pass break, Di Guzman, pass to Villar. Villar, dribble the ball. Pass to Magaluna. Magaluna. 12 seconds to shoot. Quezon, sinking three, pinasa sa ilalim, Di Guzman. 8 seconds to shoot. Villar, short. 12 seconds to shoot. Almost. Nakuha ni San Jose. 55 seconds to play. Bucasas. Pass to De Vera. De Vera. Foul.
Number 9.
Foul number 9. Di Guzman. First personal foul. Second team fouls. 2 shot by De Vera. First throw is good. Official score 14-13. 1-point lead by Sac. Second throw. 1 out of 2. 48 seconds to play for your first quarter. 40 seconds to play. Quezon sinking three. 3 points by Quezon. 33 seconds to play. Fernandez. Dribble the ball. Wild shot. 24 seconds to play. Magaluna. Pass to Quezon. Pinasa sa ilalim. Entrada. Nilua. Almost steal. Foul. Foul number 8. Bucasas. First personal foul. Penalty. 2 shot by Magaluna. First row is no good. Second throw. Yes, sir. 1 out of 2. Official score 18-13. 12 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Still Magaluna. 3-on-2 pass break. Quezon. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. 3 seconds to play. Wala. End of the first quarter. All right. Second quarter. De Leon. Pass to Gutierrez. Oh, it's a traveling violation. Magaluna. Pass to Jojo. Jojo. Single three short. Remember Gutierrez. De Leon. Pass to Gutierrez. Pass to De Leon. 14 seconds to shoot. Ramos. Lista mo yan. Wala. Gutierrez. Almost. Wait lang, Dal. Sir, wala kayo ibang jersey? Kahit ano po, dark jersey po kasi para magkakulay eh. Baka magkalituhan. Si Gutierrez po, wala po ibang jersey? Dala? Para ano lang po, kahit black. Doon din. Wala na po tayo. Sige, ano na natin yan. Wala, nagkawalaan yung mga jersey nila eh. Parehas din eh. Puti ba yan? Sige, iyan nyo po. Balik ta rin nyo nga po.
Yan, okay ba?
Okay, number 0 na lang si Gutierrez na isa.
Akala kasi ano eh. Nagkawalaan ng outing nila eh.
Ha? Oh, Gutierrez din yun. Sulat mo, 0. Okay, sa na po sa delayed para maganda po ang ating ano. Baka magkasisiyan pa. Magalula, paso Marocon, paso Besa, Besa, malakas. Gutierrez, paso De Leon, De Leon. Back to Gutierrez, lays up, yes sir. T-shot score 20-17, 3-point lead by Sak. Jojo pilasa sa ilalim, Edrada. Still, De Leon nagmamadali. Ayan na. De Leon all the way to the basket. Easy 2. T-shot score 20-19. 1-point lead by Sak. Jojo dribble the ball. Jojo pass to Magaluna. 15 seconds to shoot. Magaluna lays up. Wala. Hindi kumapit ang Pectus. Diba by Gutierrez? Foul. Foul number 25, Edrada. First personal foul, first team foul. Okay, Gutierrez dribble the ball. Pass to De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. Ramos, ball fake. Foul. Foul number 19, Besa. First personal foul, second team fouls. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Leon, it's a traveling violation. Jojo, dribble the wall. Pass to Besa. Besa. Ball fake. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jojo. Back to Besa. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Bahay niya rin yan. De Leon, dribble the ball. De Leon, pinasa sa ilalim. Almost. Rebound by Edrada. Pass to Maharokon. Pass to Besa. Pass to Magaluna. Oy! Hindi nagkaamo yan. Gutierrez, 3-on-1 pass break. Gutierrez, ball fake. Pinasa sa ilalim. Ramos. Easy 2. Official score 22-21. 1-point lead by Sak. Jojo, pass to Magaluna. Back to Jojo. Oy! Bitawan. Maharokon. Pass to Besa. Perimeter shot. Wala. Rebound by Edrada. Edrada. Yes, sir. 2 points. 24-21, 3-point lead by Sak. All. It's a turnover. Time left, 6 minutes, 5 seconds to play, second quarter. The ball, Jojo, pilasa kay Marocol, ball fake, perimeter shot, yes sir. 26-21, ayun na, pass break, Gutierrez. Minama. Oy, malakas na tira, sa kanya pa rin. 2-on-1, uy, grabe naman yun. Sa kanya pa rin. Basket, may kasama pang foul. Who's foul number 12, Maharokon. First personal foul, third team fouls. Ball shot by Gutierrez. He complete the 3-point play. Official score 26-24, 2-point lead by Sak. Magaluna, dribble the ball, pass to Jojo. Back to Magaluna, pass to Besa, 15 seconds to shoot. Besa, Foul. Foul number 0. Gutierrez, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot by Besa. 5 minutes, 24 seconds to play, second quarter. First throw is good. 27-24.
Wala!
Substitution rep. 2 out of 2. Sige po, pasok. Sige. Okay, let's go. 28-24. 4-point lead by Sac. 5 minutes, 20 seconds to play, second quarter. Dueñas. Pass to De Vera. De Vera, taking 3 almost. Rebound by Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Minama, wala pa rin. Almost. Ayun na, pass break. Jojo, nagmamadali. Pinasa kay Maharokon. Tumira, wala. Foul. Foul number 15, De Vera. First personal foul, second personal fouls, second team fouls. Dalawa ka na po. Still, Okol. Oy, still din ni Jojo. Jojo. 3-on-1 pass break. Jojo lays up short. Kitang-kita. Dueñas. Pass to De Vera. De Vera, ball fake. Pinasa kay Dueñas. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. 28-26. 2-point lead by Sac. Quezon, dribble the ball. Ayun na. Kick ball. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds. Quezon. Single 3 almost. Rebound by Maharokon. Steal. Ang lakas naman. Quezon. Sige po. Dribble the ball. Pass to Jojo. Jojo, sinking 3. Short. Substitution rep. Substitution. Okay lang po. Sige po, focus tayo mga lods. Warning number 12 or Jojo. Sinong warning? Warning, Maharokon for continuous complaining. Sige lang po mga idol, malayo pa yan. Focus tayo, focus. De Vera. Pass to Dueñas. Perimeter shot. Short. Quezon, almost steal. 4-on-1 pass break. Quezon, pinasa sa ilalim. Talavera, easy 2. 3 minutes to play. Turn over. Time out. Pubu.
Walang problema yun. Unless na hindi sila
Alright, Quezon. Quezon, pass to Besa, tigil 3. Besa, malakas, kitang-kita. Rebound by Talavera. Talavera, dribble the ball. Pass to Vergara, tigil 3. Vergara, 3 points. 33-26, 7-point lead by Sac. Dueñas, dribble the ball. Pass to Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Okol. 12 seconds to shoot. Dueñas, pass to De Vera, pass to Ramos. Foul. Foul number 15. Talavera. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 2 shot by Ramos. First throw is good. Two out of 2. Official score, 33-28. 5-point lead by Sac. Quezon, dribble the ball. Pass to Talavera. Pass to Edrada. Ball fake. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 18, Ramos. First personal foul. Third team fouls. Besa. Pass to Vergara. Perimeter shot is good. Magkabilaan yun ah. 1 minute 40 seconds to play. Still by Vergara. Pass to Quezon. Quezon dribble the ball. Pass to Talavera. Ball fake. Pinasa. Oy! Ayan na. Yung siya sabi. Gutierrez. 2 points. 35-30. Almost steal. Quezon. 1 minute 10 seconds to play. Second quarter. Quezon again. Perimeter shot is good. Gutierrez.
Foul, foul.
Last touch lang tayo, boss. Last touch. Ang tawag ng rep. 58 seconds to play. 58 seconds. Dueñas, pass to Ocol. Ocol. Short, kita-kita. Rebound by Vergara. 50 seconds to play. Besa, pass to Quezon. Masyado malakas. De Vera. 45 seconds to play. De Vera. Pass to Ramos. Back to De Vera. Thinking 3. Almost. Rebound by Ocol. Ocol. Short. Rebound by Edrada. 4-on-2 pass break. Ayan na, si Quezon all the way off the glass. Yes, sir. 22 seconds to play. Wala pa rin. 18 seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to play. Foul Edrada, number 25, penalty. Edrada, second personal fouls. Penalty. 8 seconds to play. 8 seconds. 2 shot by Ramos.
Hoy,
First throw is good.
binigyan ko yan.
2 out of 2. 8 seconds to play. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Besa, almost.
Mawawala yun, ha? Narinig siya.
Urdaliza. Pass to Magaluna. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumeda. Wala. Rebound by Dueñas. Omanya, almost steal. Natuluyan na. Di Guzma, pass to Villar. Uy, malakas pa rin. Bucasas. Tumama sa paa. It's turn over.
Rep, oh. Rep!
Urdaniza. Pass to Magaluna. Pass to Di Guzma. Pass to Villar. Villar. Nice pass to Lumeda. Uy, sayang. Short. De Vera. Pass to Bucasas. Sinking 3. Bucasas. Malakas. Kita-kita. Magaluna. Almost steal. Napunta kay Villar. Pass to Magaluna. Magaluna. Uy, namatanda. Kaso.
Kala ko ayun.
Almost steal. Almost steal. Ayun na, tuloy na. Dueñas. Bucasas. Pass to De Vera. De Vera. Sinking 3. Wala. Ribabay Bucasas. Siya naman ang titira. Bucasas. 3 points. Official score 39-35. 4-point lead by Sac.
Kita naman.
Magaluna. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Yomeda, wala pa rin. Dalawa. Yomeda. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds. Seconds to shoot. Yomeda, perimeter shot. Wala pa rin. Pasok na pala. 2 points. San Jose, all the way. 2 points by San Jose. 41-37. 4-point lead by SAC. 7 minutes, 20 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wala!
Magaluna, single 3. Short. Substitution. Omanya out. De Leon in. She got them. Dueñas. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ibaba Yomeda. Paso Urdaniza. Paso Di Guzman, single 3. Di Guzman, 3 points. Dueñas, paso Di Vera, babawiin. Almost. Ribabay Bukasas. Foul. Foul number 12, Villar. First personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. De Leon, perimeter shot. Foul. Wait lang po. Foul, who's foul rep? Foul number 27, Magaluna. Substitution rep. Magaluna, first personal foul, second team fouls. 2 shot by De Leon. Wait lang po. First throw is good. Wait lang po, pangalawa tayo, sir. Pangalawa. FIBA rules lang tayo. Substitution rep, substitution. Official score 44-39. 5-point lead by SAC. Let's go. 6 minutes to play, third quarter. Villar, pass to Vergara, sinking 3. Almost still. Last touch by Urdaniza. De Leon, dribble the ball. Pass to Bukasas. Nabitawan ang bola. Magaluna. Foul down. Foul number 33. Fernandez, first personal foul, first team foul. Substitution rep. Villar out. Sige po. Magaluna out. Maharokon and Besa in. 17 seconds to shoot. 17 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Besa, dribble the ball. Tumira, short. Ribaway Maharokon. Tumira, short pa rin. Nakuha ni Fernandez, pinasa kay Bukasas, all the way, pinasa sa ilalim, De Leon. Lisa Besco. Official score 44-41. 3-point lead by SAC. Besa, ball fake. Pass to Urdaniza. Sinking 3. Short. Third over. Four minutes, 10 seconds to play. Third quarter. Fernandez, wala. Rebound by Besa. 4 minutes to play. Third quarter. Almost still. Urdaniza, pinasa sa gitna. Maharokon, pinasa sa ilalim. Vergara, perimeter shot. Wala. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul. Number 33, Fernandez. Second personal foul. Second team fouls. Substitution rep. Urdanisa out. Quezon in. Let's go. Besa.
Ay, wala!
Tumira, wala. Okay po. De Leon. Pinasa ay Bukasas. Off the glass. Yes, sir. Isa na lang ang kalamangan na sa 44-43. 3 minutes, 15 seconds to play, third quarter. De Guzman, sinking 3, short. Kita-kita. Napunta kay Maharokon. 2 points by Maharokon. Bukasas. Pass to De Leon. 3 minutes to play, third quarter. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Steal.
Tayo pa kami.
Sayang naman yun. 15 seconds to shoot. Fernandez, take 3. Fernandez, 3 points. It's a deadlock. All 46. All 46. Still. Short.
Tira! Uy, bawa yun na!
Fernandez, 3 points. It's a change favor. 83 ang Pubu Bowlers. 2 minutes to play, third quarter. Quezon, dribble the ball. Almost steal. Pass to Besa. Besa, ball fake. Tumira. Masyadong malakas. Last touch by Pubu Bowlers. Time out. Pubu Bowlers. Official score 49-46. 3-point lead by Pubu Bowlers. Remaining time 1 minute 40 seconds to play, third quarter. All right, back to the ball game. It's Dueñas. Steal. Ayun na, Quezon, nagmamadali. Steal. De Leon. Pass to Ramos. Ang laki ng kaharap. Natakot. Vergara, dribble the ball. Vergara all the way to the basket. Pass to Quezon. Pass to Edrada. 2 points by Edrada. 49-48. 1 point lead by Pubu Bowlers. 1 minute 5 seconds to play. Third quarter. 1 minute to play. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Fernandez almost. 50 seconds to play. 50 seconds. Edrada all the way. Almost. May Bukasas. 40 seconds to play. 40. Foul. Foul number 4. Vergara. 13 fouls pala po. First personal foul. Third team fouls. 37 seconds to play. 37 seconds. Fernandez. Pass to Ramos. Perimeter shot. Wala pa rin. Foul number 33. Third personal foul. Third team fouls. Last 29 seconds to play. 29 seconds to play for your third quarter. Quezon. Dribble the ball. Quezon. Pass to Vergara. Pass to Besa. 15 seconds to shoot. Besa sinking 3. In and out. Rebound by Rep. Foul number 33. Holding foul. Warning for fouled out. Warning for penalty. Remaining time, last 12 seconds to play. 12 seconds to play. Wait lang po, na-award na. 10 seconds to play.
Wala!
Wala pa rin. 5 seconds to play. And the third quarter. Okay, fourth quarter. Let's go. De Leon, pass to San Jose. Perimeter shot. Yes, sir. Parang pera-pera lang yan, ha. Piso-piso, kumbaga. Quezon, pass to Talavera. Back to Quezon. Back to Talavera. Pass to Villar. Talavera, short. Villar, foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 0, Gutierrez. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shot by Villar. First throw is good. 51-49, 2-point lead by Pubu Ballers.
Wala!
Second throw, 1 out of 2. 51-49, 2-point lead by Pubu Ballers. Dueñas dribble the ball. Pass to Gutierrez. Traveling, violation. Okay, sige. Sige po. Kunin nyo kagad yung bola para ano. Kasi running time tayo. Opo, 2 minutes lang po ang stop. Okay, oy, sayang. 2 points by Edrada. It's a deadlock, all 51. 8 minutes, 45 seconds to play for your final quarter. San Jose again, perimeter shot. Yes, sir. 53-51, 2-point lead by Pubu Ballers. Quezon dribble the ball. Quezon pass to Besa. Pass to Talavera. Talavera, side step. Uy, ang ganda naman ng ilalim nun. Parang si San Livingstone. 15 seconds to shoot. De Leon. 10 seconds to shoot. San Jose. 5 seconds. De Vera, 3 points. Last 8 minutes to play. 8 minutes to play. 56-53 our score. 3-point lead by Pubu Ballers. 15 seconds to shoot.
Wala!
Talavera babawiin. Talavera, 3 points. It's a deadlock, all 56.
Wala!
Dueñas dribble the ball. Pass to De Leon, pass to Gutierrez. 12 seconds to shoot. De Vera again. Wala. Quezon dribble the ball. Pass to Talavera. Talavera. Foul. Foul number 49, De Leon. Ilan na? First personal foul, second team fouls. Dalawa lang po. Gumamit kayo ng third eh. 2 shot by Talavera.
Sisigaw tayo. Wala! Wala!
First throw is good.
Sino ba yan? Kalaban? Kalaban.
Our timeout is 3 po sa SAC, 2 po sa Pubu Ballers. Second throw is good. 2 out of 2. It's a change favor. Lamang na po ng 2.
Kung ako,
Ang SAC.
kung ako,
7 minutes, 15 seconds to play for your last quarter.
bubating ko.
De Leon. De Leon. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's foul rep? Foul number 12, Villar.
Kita ka.
Second personal fouls by Villar. First team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Wait lang po, award na. 10 seconds to shoot. Dueñas, almost. Villar, dribble the ball. Pass to Quezon. Almost steal. Quezon pa rin. Pass to Besa. Besa, thinking three, wala. Rebound by Dueñas. Pass back to De Vera. De Vera all the way. Pinali pa, malakas. Oh. Offensive foul, number 25. Substitution rep. Time out. Shot. Basketball. Dueñas, dribble the ball. Pass to Bucasas. Perimeter shot, wala. Rebound by De Leon, almost. Rebound by Quezon, dribble the ball. Pass to Talavera, ball fake. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Besa. Short, kitang-kita. Rebound by Bucasas. Pass to De Vera all the way. Pass to Bucasas. Perimeter shot, wala. Rebound by Di Guzman. Pass to Talavera. Pass to Quezon. Almost. Pass to Besa. Pass to Talavera. Thinking three. Almost. Entrada. De Vera. Pass to San Jose. Talavera. 3-on-2 pass break. Foul number 13, Dueñas. Substitution rep. Dueñas, second personal fouls. Third team foul. Substitution rep. Besa out. Vergara in. Okay, let's go. Last 5 minutes and 9 seconds to play. Vergara, perimeter shot is good. 60-56, 4-point lead by Sak. Dueñas, pass to Bucasas, thinking three. Bucasas short. De Leon, yes sir, what a putback. 60-58, 2-point lead by Sak. Quezon dribble the ball. Vergara, thinking three, almost. Foul number 4, wala pa po. Number 4, first personal foul, warning for penalty, Bubu Ballers. Substitution rep, sino po? Entrada out, Magaluna in. Okay, let's go. Warning for penalty, Bubu Ballers. Di Guzman, pass to Talavera, pass to Quezon, perimeter shot, in and out, last touch by Sak. Okay. Dueñas, dribble the ball. Dueñas, pinasa sa ilalim, Bucasas, pass to De Leon, dribble the ball, 12 seconds to shoot. Dueñas, short. Rebound by Vergara. Quezon, pass to Talavera. 15 seconds to shoot. Magaluna. Last 3 minutes, 25 seconds to play for your last and final quarter. Bucasas, perimeter shot is good. It's a deadlock. All 60. Last 3 minutes, 15 seconds to play. Quezon pa rin. Pass to Vergara all the way. What a block by Bucasas. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds to shoot. Ten seconds to shoot. Quezon, in and out. Recover Bukasas. Pass to Dueñas. Dueñas, dribble the ball. Pass to San Jose, perimeter shot. Yes, sir. It's a change favor. 62-60. 2-point lead by Pubu Bowlers. Quezon, dribble the ball. Pass to Talavera. Pass to the Guzman. Single three. Short. Turn over. Vergara all the way. Foul. Second personal fouls. Penalty. Substitution ref. Pubu Bowlers under penalty situation. 2 shot by Vergara. First throw is good. 62-61, 1-point lead by Pubu Bowlers. One out of 2. Foul. Foul number 9, Di Guzman. Second personal foul by Di Guzman. Third team foul. Okay, let's go. Last 2 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Bukasas, 15 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Quezon. Dribble the ball. Pass to Magalona. Pass to Vergara all the way. Basket is good. Change favor, 63-62. Last 1 minute and 42 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Change favor. 64-63. Foul. Kuzma rep fouls number 4, San Jose. Ay, De Leon, sorry. Dalawa pa, boss. Time out sa basketball. Fouls. Penalty. Pubu Bowlers under penalty situation. Lamang lang po ng isa ang Pubu Bowlers, 64-63.
Fourth quarter na kami.
First throw by Vergara is good. It's a deadlock. All 64. All 64. Second throw.
Hello.
Wala. Rebound by Besa. Oh, what a... Time out, Pubu Bowlers.
Ilan pa time out namin?
Isa pa po. Tigisang time out na lang po, both teams. It's a chill. 14 seconds tayo to shoot. 14 seconds shot clock. Reset to 14 seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Alright, let's go. Almost steal. 10 seconds to shoot. De Leon. Steal. All the way, Vergara, all the way to the basket. Yes, sir. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng sack. 68-64. Last 1 minute to play. Last 1 minute. Vergara. 15 seconds to shoot. 55 seconds to play. Turn over. Last 52 seconds to play. Meron pa kayo, isa. Gagamitin nyo na? Hindi pa. Isa na lang po timeout nyo. Okay, 50 seconds to play. 45 seconds to play. 15 seconds to shoot. Vergara. Uy! Almost steal. 10 seconds to shoot. Besa. Short. Kita-kita. Reset to no. 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 30 seconds to play. Last 30 seconds. Besa. Nako. Time out. Pubu. Ballers. Biglang lumayo. Official score 70-64. 6-point lead by Sak Basketball.
Hindi, kasi dapat si
Stop ka kaya lang.
Last 25. Dueñas. 10 seconds to shoot. Ayun na, mukhang ano na. 15 seconds. 9 seconds to play. 9 seconds. Sige, wala pa po 8 seconds yun kasi galing tayo sa 14 seconds. 5 seconds. Alright, congratulations to